So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change payment method on DoorDash. So first of all, you can go ahead and open up the app once you download the app. And you can see at the bottom, once you're logged in, home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. From here, you can do a couple of things for changing the payment method. If you wish to change it within your tab, so you can see here total is this much. You can see some pics. This is your total. You can click on continue, and through here you can see some payment methods. So if you've added a payment method, don't worry. You can always change it to something else that is going to be easier for you to make that transaction. If you wish to change it through your Me section, you can see orders, try Dash Pass, settings, profile, and rewards. So you can go ahead and click on settings. On here, you can see the payment. If I click on this, you can see credit or debit card, PayPal, Cash App Pay, and Klarna. And I can switch between all of these and making them my default payment method. So if I were to click on this, it's going to load up, opening up a different page entirely. If I click on Klarna, it's going to again open up a different page as well as with PayPal, and I can add my card information on here and I can change it again as well. So that's about it for the changing of the payment method. If you wish to change the payment method that was already here, just go to the edit page and you can edit your payment method with some different information. If you change cards, if you've updated and stuff like that. So it's all through here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.